Pagkatapos ng isang taon, ang isang empleyado ay makakatanggap ng BIR Form 2316, Certificate of Compensation, Payment, or Tax Withheld. May tax withheld man or wala, dapat bigyan ng employer ang kanyang employees ng BIR Form 2316. Ito yung example ng BIR Form 2316 for the period January 1 to December 31, 2024. Nandyan yung TIN ng employee, employee's name, registered address, birth date, contact number. Nandito din yung employer information. TIN ng employer, employer's name, registered address. Then sa part 4, summary, dito makikita ang details of compensation, gross compensation, income from present employer, less total non-taxable income or exempt compensation, income from present employer, taxable compensation from present employer, add taxable compensation income from previous employer if applicable. Then total gross taxable compensation income. Tax due computed na yan annually. Then tax due and amount of taxes withheld dapat equal. If ever may difference, kung over deduction, dapat i-refund ng employer. Okay. Ito ay magiging tax credits kasi yung ating mixed income earner, ang kanyang tax due ay from business and compensation. So, hindi na problema yung sa compensation dahil deducted na from salaries. Dito tayo sa part 4, computation of tax, name of employer, employer TIN, makikita yan sa BIR Form 2316. Okay. Compensation income, dito sa 3A, ang kukunin natin na amount ay 1,446,697. Taxes withheld. Ito pong 210,454. Okay. Dito tayo sa baba, taxable compensation income. Number 5, less non-taxable exempt compensation. Ito siya, 214,879. One, 446, 697, 210, 454, less 214, 879. Tax due 210, 455. Hindi equal. May difference na 1 peso dahil sa rounding off ng figures.